Got it. Got this off. Nice. So just, yeah, those two bolts in the back. Yeah, and then you want to unscrew. Take one right here. And then this yellow one. Oh, I think you press this on the sides right here. The reason I'm removing all this is my sister lost her keys, and I called the dealer and they told me to tow the car to them, so so they can program the key. But because the keys are lost, and she doesn't have a spare, there's no way of putting the car into neutral, so it makes it really hard to to tow it, because the car won't go into neutral without the keys, because of the electronic shifter. So there's no way to get the wheels to roll, and since she has a 4MATIC, that makes it even harder. All four wheels are locked. But I found a Mexican locksmith that told me if I can get that ignition module out, he can program the module to the key, and we'll be good for way cheaper than what the dealer charges. I think it was about $100 or $150 or something with the key. So that's the reason why I'm taking all this off, so I can take that module out and get it programmed with the new. That's how you take off the wheel, the airbag. You can even say the vents on the side. Next step, take this off, those little grooves, and you grab it, and then you just pretty much spin it. Okay, see? So now there's these little there's like a few sides where there's these little like things that it holds the ignition to. So you have to spin it off. See how it's behind this little thing, and it holds onto this clip right here. So see how this lines in, see, lines into that, and then it sits in. There's another one of these up here. There's like there's like 3 of them, I think. So what you pretty much gotta do is pry it open until you get one out. When you get one out, you would be able to spin and then get this one out. See, it would look something like this. Okay, and then you would be able to tell where the other. See, there's one up there, which is because of how I see these things. It holds behind this thing. There's one up there. There is one down.
You're almost out. You're almost out. Yep, you're almost out.
But if you have to do this before you do anything, see if you can move this crap up. Yes, that's the bottom, and this part had to move it like that. And this thing goes all the way up to here.